In this video, I will show you how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Google Chrome. Now, what you're going to want to do is basically come across to google.com and you want to go ahead and ask this question into Google. Once that's done, go ahead and press enter and this will become clear in a minute. So what you're going to want to do is scroll down to the official website, which is internetdownloadmanager.com. You can see the link here. If you go ahead and click onto this link, this is going to give you some more information about the Chrome extension. Now, as you can see here, there is a note in bold which says, please note that all IDM extensions that can be found in Google Store are fake and should not be used. To go ahead and actually get the IDM Chrome extension, you actually need to come across to this page and the official link is here. So if you click onto this link, this is going to take you to the page where you can actually add the extension. As you can see, this is the official one, as it says from www.internetdownloadmanager.com, which is of course the official website. You can see there's over 2,000 ratings of 4.3 stars and 20 million users. So what you're going to want to do from here is of course press the blue add to Chrome button. Then it's going to come up with this pop-up. Just go ahead and click add extension. And what it's going to do is add the extension to Chrome. Now you need to make sure you've previously installed Internet Download Manager. As you can see, I've not done this, so it cannot launch it. However, if you've already installed Internet Download Manager, then of course what you can do is begin using the extension by coming up to the top right hand corner, clicking onto the extensions icon up here. As you can see, the integration module is shown here, but is across because obviously I've not got IDM installed. However, once you've done that, when you go ahead and download files and pictures and things like that, what it's going to do is launch the Chrome extension. So you can go ahead and use the IDM extension to download things from Google Chrome. So that's how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.